Hello, I'm Miles Tails Prower. We will learn about work done by an object. When a force causes a body to move, we will obtain a work done by the force. Energy can be transferred from one energy store to another. Let's suppose it's a block on the floor. When you apply force, you know mass multiplied by acceleration. Also, distance is provided by the way how far the block moved by someone else. Its formula for work done is force, multiplied by the distance d. Its unit is in joules, equal to Newton meter. You can compare via a rotational motion topic. Another case, if the block is being pulled at an angle of theta, then the work done is Fd cosine theta. If theta is 0, then there will be maximum work done obtained, that is moving horizontally on the ground. If theta is 90 degrees, then there will be no work done obtained, that is 0 or otherwise it's vertical. But in case of gravitation, the force and distance are mg and h, where h is the height distance, which is same as potential energy. Next case, if we say total work done is the change in kinetic energy, then W is equal to delta kinetic energy, equal to half times mass and square of velocity difference by the way. Final case, if you have divided by the unit of time, we get joules per second, equal to watt, just like we've discussed about sonic's speed and weight. Let's start with the first question. What is the work done obtained if the block is pulled at an angle 30 degrees along with the horizontal axis if its mass is 2 kilograms and distance is 10 meters, and its acceleration is 3 meters per second squared? The answer is approximately 52 joules as we have obtained. Second question, for the change in kinetic energy. Sonic the Hedgehog's mass is 50 kilograms, rolls down like a ball on a track with an instantaneous speed of 50 meters per second. Its speed is now reduced to 45 meters per second. Find the work done obtained. The answer is 625 joules. Third question, calculate the power obtained if work done is 30 joules in 6 seconds. It's very easy to obtain this. The answer is 5 watts. In the next part, we'll tell you how the piston works. Like, comment, and subscribe now.